So rational number are two types, terminating and non-terminating repeating. Either the rational number is terminating or non-terminating repeating. Any rational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. The definition. So if I say rational number in P by Q form, so if P by Q form, so both rational number either terminating तो P by Q form, non-terminating repeating तभी P by Q form. So how we identify that the rational numbers or not? So see, terminating decimal number have Q is always 2 की power m into 5 की power n form. But in non-terminating repeating, Q is not only 2 की power m into 5 की power n form. This is a talk about the rational number, because both types we can express in P by Q form, but different between them, it have the Q is only in the form of this. We can express in decimal form, you can say it can be stopped. Example, just like we say 2.5, 6.125, 2.4, they are the terminating. 6, 7, they also terminating. Non-terminating 3.12 bar, 1.3 bar, 0.6 bar, they are non-terminating or repeating. Why repeating? Because it can use the bar, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, that means repeating. So it also can be expressed in P by Q form. This is also a rational number, and this is also a rational number, but the irrational number it can't express in P by Q form. If it can't express in P by Q form, so we can't say about Q does not exist. ये exist करेगा ही नहीं Q. So the same types of question coming examination, identify that the numbers are rational or irrational. If rational, so what can you say about the prime factor of Q? So it's have three types of question. First, 3.125, 6, 3.176 bar. 3.1497631 dash dash dash. 2.15676767 dash dash dash. 2.12.7561. 6. 3.12112111121112 dash dash dash. So these are we taking some examples of the numbers. We want to identify that which are rational or irrational. So first, it is terminating or non-terminating. First we answer terminating or non-terminating. You all say terminating. Yes, means this is terminating. Okay. If this is terminating, you also say rational number. Khatam kahani. Terminating or non-terminating? Non-terminating. If non-terminating, have two types, repeating or non-repeating. 63.17666666666, that means it is repeating. So non-terminating, repeating. So non-terminating repeating means rational number. Next 3.1497631 dash 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 dash. It's not be repeated. You say one repeated? No. Particular pattern, just like 666, 319, 319, 319. Not any particular numbers are repeated. So it is non-terminating, not repeated, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating. That means irrational number. Okay, take, you can see this same. थोड़ा जल्दी करेंगे. 6767677 means non-terminating but repeating, that is rational number. Here 12.7561 stop, that means terminating, directly say rational number. 3.1211211121112 dash 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 is irrational number. You know why? Because it is non-terminating and non-repeating. Okay, so my first question is completed. Identify rational or irrational. We identify them, which are rational, which are irrational. If rational, so what can you say about the prime factor of q? So rational, q is कौन सा था ये terminating का था. So in terminating, q is only in 2 की power m into 5 की power n form. That's its answer. Non-terminating repeating rational है? Yes. Rational, non-terminating repeating. Q is not only in 2 की power m into 5 की power n form. Here, irrational number, can't say about q. Rational, same. This is the non-terminating, repeating. So this is the terminating. So this. Okay. Pause the video and note down.